How's it going, everybody? Will Massey here at Mitchell Chrysler Dodge Ram and Jeep here in Enterprise. Many of y'all have been requesting on how to operate the Stow and Go seating on the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. So without further ado, let's see how we operate. All right, guys, so it's super simple. First step, obviously, you want to open that passenger side door. Now you're going to have two buttons on the side. You're going to have this button up top. That's going to close that main sliding door. You're also going to have another button here that operates the driver's side seat, moves it up so we can fold these seats in. So those will automatically move up there. Now with the driver's side seat moved forward, what you're going to do next, you're going to take this tab here in the floor mats. You're going to lift that up, and then in one motion, this will all lift up. Now you're also going to have a tab right here that says Stow and Go. You pull on that, and then this will fold down flat inside. Then you pull on this bottom tab of the floor mat, and your seats are completely folded. Now when you get ready to pop the seats back up, same process. You want to move that seat back up, pull on this tab here, and then pull them out. And you are ready to go. So super easy, super simple. For a brand new Chrysler Pacifica, don't forget to stop by Mitchell Chrysler Dodge Ram and Jeep or call Will Massey at 334-494-5720. Now with the